Hello guys, I just made this video to be just a little explanation about the exercise you're gonna make. Okay, and also I wanna just like explain something about insert, how to bring that picture or how the image I sent you to the group. So the first thing, I just want you to make sure that you do have the properties and the project browser, and something else, ceiling plans should be closed always. Okay, and actually only you should work with the floor plans. Something else, you have to set your units as we said. So UN is the shortcut. You should go to length and to make sure it's in centimeter. Something else, you should just make sure how many floor you do have, since in this picture I sent we do have two let's say two plans in here. So we will have a level and then another one and then another one in here. And maybe you could make another one for this let's say little roof or shading element, so it's up to you. Something else, the important one, let's say how to bring that image, this one, into Revit and then to scale it. Okay, so the first thing I will make is to go either to insert and then to go to image from the insert tab. If you cannot see your tabs, maybe you hide them from this button. Okay, so I will keep clicking until I can see them. If you see this option, let's say these options, if you can see them in here, it's okay. If you cannot, maybe you can see it in the upper left corner. Okay, so you can bring them in and bring these options and put them in here. Okay, so something else, let's go back to insert tab and then to image, go to my desktop and then put EX. I just named it EX1, which is exercise 1, and then I will open it. Okay, so I will just, since I'm in level 1, I will just click it once. Okay, now I can see it. The thing is, I know that this is not in proper scale. Okay, so that's why I have to make sure that it's in scale, then to start drawing. So the first thing I will do, approximately, since like for example now I will be starting, or I will start my work in this plan, so I will move it approximately. I will click MV, the first thing, and then just move it maybe from this point, just like bring it into the middle. So this is the focus point, and then I will make something. I will try to make any wall. Okay, WA is the shortcut. This is 200 millimeter, which is 20 centimeter. Okay, so I will draw a wall, or let's even draw it in here. Okay, like approximately in this point. I can see there is a little difference between them. Okay, so I will try my best to put this wall exactly on that edge. Okay, so I zoomed in, I click MV, and then I will just select this end point, move it a bit into here approximately. So they are approximately now in the exact place approximately. Okay, and then I will just select my picture or my image and then zoom in, and then there is something called the scale. RE is the shortcut. RE, this one, scale, RE. The thing I want you to make is just like a click on this corner approximately. I'm not touching the wall, I'm just touching the picture approximately in this point, and then I will just drag. I'm not holding it. I will just click the other one, and then I will just write 20. Now approximately these walls are 20 centimeters. Okay, so you could make your scale like let's say, and to take the walls as a reference, or you could take this maybe tables. Maybe this one, it will be approximately like 60 by 100 or 60 by 80. So it's approximately. Okay, so let me just check approximately. This is, yes, this is 100. Okay, so you could make something else, like you could make a wall, and then you could make it as a reference, or you could take it, we talked about LI, which is the reference line, or not reference line, actually it's just a line work. but we could use it as a reference line also. So let's say, let me just make this one again smaller. Okay, so I made it smaller now, and I know that this is in real life gonna be 1 meter, so I will just click LI and then draw any line which is 1 meter, which is 100. So this line should be like exactly like that one. So what I will do is just, I will just bring my line and then click MV, approximately put it on here, and then select my image. Just make sure that you select it, and then zoom in, RE again for scale. Since we are using graphical one, do not like, it's okay, just use now the graphical one, and then we will talk about the numerical one at the class. So since I selected my image, I will even select the line, it's fine. Revit will understand this is, you are scaling the image. So I will select this one and then go select this intersection point approximately, and then select that one, the last one. So now it's approximately 1 meter. So you should scale it and then start your work. Okay, this is the thing I want to tell you. And something else, let's talk about it, which is bend. It means like to lock this this image in place. Why? Because now, as you see, while I was like just trying to move my wall, I just like accidentally just moved my picture, and this is not what I want. Okay, so the thing will be just to select it. Okay, and there is something here called select bin element. First of all, I will bin it from this one, PIN, which is bin. I will bin it. Okay, now I'm able to select it actually, but I can unbin it from this one. But the thing is, I will just select it again, or without selecting it, it's fine. You could just like select this one, which is select pinned element. I will unactivate it. Now I cannot select it. I cannot select my picture, which means I'm able to directly like start drawing my walls around it. Okay, maybe this one would be something like this. Okay, and even if I want to select something, I will select it. I will select these walls without even selecting the picture. So that's it.